student, welcome in political science class. Student, today we will discuss the European Union. European Union is the organization for the mutual cooperation to empower the economy after the Second World War. Student, because after Second World War, the European continent had faced a lot of problems. It was region, the center of Second World War was European continent. This region, the European continent countries had lost their natural resources, industries, human capital and other diversities. It was destroyed due to the result of the Second World War. This topic we are going to discuss about European Union. Point number first. The European continent had to the most impact of the Second World War due to which the economy was destroyed. It was region, the Second World War centered toward the European continent, and due to the center of Second World War, the European continent countries had destroyed properties and industries and economy also. How it improved, how the economy increased, they thought, and with the help of US to revive European economy, the US introduced Marshall Plan. What was Marshall Plan? To establish organization for European economy, OEEC, in 1948. US became the most supportful toward the European continent countries to increase their economy, because US was very close to the European continent, because according the diversity and the politics and the best market, US always supported the European continent countries. So this time again US came in the front to help the European continent country and suggested and introduced the Marshall Plan. Marshall Plan was established organization for the European economy, certainly known as OEEC, and it established with the help of US in 1948. What happened then? Through OEEC means the Organization for European Economy, Western European states began to cooperate on the trade and economy. With the help of US, when the OEEC established, then mainly the Western European states had begun to cooperate in the trade and economy, because every European continent country were understood, if we will start mutual cooperation, then we can increase our economy due to the destroyed of World War. So all Western continent countries of European, they had started to mutual cooperation and established their mutual trade relationship and mutual economic improvement, establishment of industries and reform of the industries laws, labor laws, and they had started to exchange their trade with the raw materials and technology. On the behalf of these things, the European continent countries had started increasing their economic power. What happened? Point number 4. The European Union established on 1st November 1993 the European Union. It was a group of European capitalist countries. Students, the European Union was established on 1st November 1993. It was the result of the Organization for the European Economy, because this organization had provided good platform to discuss and improve their economy, those were destroyed due to the Second World War. This platform became the progress platform for the all European continent countries, mainly the Western European state, and the all European continent countries had become very prosperous toward the development of economy, because only economy was factor. With the cooperation, those can improve the destroyed of the Second World War. So the European Union became the result of the Organization for European Economy, and it established on 1st November 1993, and it was grouped mainly the European capitalist countries, Britain, France. These type of the countries of European continent had made good relationship to improve their economy by the help of the technology, raw material, industries, and the trade with the trained peoples. Those are very necessary in the empowerment of the economy. They had exchange between these countries, and they started establishing the strong economy in the world. And this European Union was the work of the common foreign policy. They had made common foreign policy under the European Union. If any European continent country will face any problem, all European continent country mutually will support them. And second, security. How we can secure the European continent countries' diversity? They will protect under the European Union the security goals. And justice means if any weak country is located in European continent, we will provide them technology, raw material, specialist persons, trained persons, and for another justice, economic justice, social justice, labor laws, etc. They had established under the European Union adjectives, and home affairs was also include the adjectives of the European Union. And single currency, euro become the single currency of these European Unions, and European Union become very strong. They had made a mutual army. That mutual army become the second largest army of the world, and it had created the good opportunity to strengthen, empowered their economic power, military power, social power, and the political power. Student, due to the United Nations Security Council membership, Britain and France is the permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. It also increased the power and strength on the world platform. So student, the European Union become the platform with the OEEC to increase the power and strength of the European Union. Those were destroyed due to the interference of Second World War. Okay, students, thank you.